Hi, my name is Valentina, and today we're going to review the Veld Music Festival website. This is an annual electronic dance and hip hop music festival that is held in Danceview Park in Toronto. This year edition is going to be from July 29 to July 31st. As you can see on their website, this is their lineup for this year, and we're going to review all the avenues of promotion, their communication, their social media platforms, and their website, of course. As you can see in the website, they have their 4 main social media platforms, and when you click it, it shows you the social media. It has around 214,000 followers in total, being the Facebook the most followed one with 100,000 followers. The second one is Instagram with 79.5 thousand, then Twitter with 28.7 thousand, and the last one is YouTube. So as we can see on their social media platforms, they are really robust. They have a really large follower account, and the most engagement one is Instagram. As you can see, it has a 15% of engagement rate, with the average interaction of 7,000 likes and 4,000 comments. We can see that the target market for each one is the same, since they post simultaneously the same content. And regarding to how it works, it only functions 6 months a year, and the other six months they don't post any content. So for example, this year, for the lineup and everything, they start post around January, the end of January, and then they post the lineup so they can start selling the tickets. This week they start selling the tickets, and from now till the day of the event, they are gonna keep posting until tickets are sold out, and about the event, past photos, and about artists until the day of the event. In the day of the event, they are gonna post what is happening in the event, and after that they are just gonna post the outcome of the event, recaps, and then their social media will be kind of dead. They only use it in case that they have another event related to the Veld festival, or the Ink Entertainment Group. So we're gonna talk a little bit about the website. As you can see, it's a divided screen. This one is interactive, so we have a little bit of a teaser in here. Their YouTube only, they post 2 videos per year. One is for promoting the event, like the lineup, and the second one is the recap of what happened in the event. So you can see this one is one of them, and then here is all the important information. They have 2 menus, this one and this one. And as you can see, they have in each tab the buy tickets. So for example, if I click on the festival info, I will see the buy tickets in here. And we have a lot of information. I think that the website has a complete information for the people that are going to attend the event. For example, that the event is cashless, how to get there, what do I bring, what is prohibited, the cannabis regulations. I think it's really important. It has also a FAQ regarding to health and safety. They also have like their regulations, the tips, and everything regarding to the ticket info, how to buy tickets. I think it is really complete. The thing I will change about this website is that in the mobile, the size font is different than it is in here, and as you can see, this is like a divided screen, but you only have a 50% of the information, and I have to flinch my eyes when I want to read something if I'm in my PC. So you can see it has 3 different font size. It also have different size in here, so I think it will be better capture the mobile essence. So what I would do would be like just put this in full screen, and when I scroll down, all the information will appear, and it will have like a bigger font size so I can read it. I will also change this merch tab because it's taking me to somewhere that doesn't have any products, so I think it's useless and pointless at this point if they don't have anything to sell. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Also, I will add like a contact info like tab, because if I have something, like I have a question regarding to my tickets or whatever, they don't show me anything. There's one tab where they say you can send something to this email, but I cannot find it. See, so it's kind of confusing. So pretty much that's pretty much it. Is it's a solid website, a solid social media account, and they have a solid also content that they show in their social media. So yeah, that's my analysis regarding to the Veld website. I hope you like it.